about Philips air fryer. It's not a sponsored video. I'll try my best to show you how it works and what all things it comes with. I hope you'll enjoy. So this is my air fryer. We bought it from Costco, and there's a lot of brands available in the market. We bought Philips, and this is a very small size we bought. They have a lot of different sizes on the air fryer. For this particular one, the temperature, this is a temperature button, and we have temperature from 210 Fahrenheit till 390 Fahrenheit. So you can just rotate the knob and you can see how much it goes. And this is a timer which you can rotate and put according to the food you put it in the basket. This is the basket, you can pull it out. There is a small button here which you can click, and this basket will comes up, open. And this is a mesh where you put all the food here, and you can keep it in the basket and return it to the air fryer. This is how it is. This is where all the oil and everything will drip in, where it all collects. You can use a tissue paper to wipe it off all excess oil and throw it in a dishwasher, or with a soap you can wash it out. And it also comes with a small stand and some skewers. With the skewers you can put make kebabs or tikka or things like that. And this is a good stand which you can set it inside. You can put meat or patties or things like that. And put it in. This is the back side of the air fryer. This is the air vent, and here also there is one air vent. And this is the plug which you put it into your electric, and that's it. This is pretty much it is air fryer. So today we are going to show you how to make a very simple, easy chicken recipe. It's a kind of tandoor style. We took some chicken legs and I removed the skin and put some slits on it. So here it is, the chicken, and we have some masalas ready, and we'll show you how to do it. So let's start cooking. So into chicken we are going to add chili powder. So you can use paprika or something which is not that spicy, which gives you a good color. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, so 1.5 tablespoon. Then a little bit of turmeric powder. Add some garlic powder. You can use fresh ginger garlic paste or just garlic paste. I'm using garlic powder. Around 1.5 tablespoon. Salt. Ground cumin. Ground cumin. Some curd or yogurt. Now mix everything well. So this is how you marinate your chicken. It's always good to keep it inside the fridge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. If you could go for at least overnight, that will be more better. So we'll see you after 15 to 30 minutes. So this is my chicken pieces which are marinated. So we are going to put those in the air fryer and going to air fry it. Let's arrange chicken onto the basket. When you arrange, try to give some room in between so the hot air can rotate and chicken can be more crispier. So it's always best to give some room, not to overcrowd. If you like, you can use some PAM. I'm using olive oil spray. It just gives a nice flavor. I'm just spraying a little bit. Less than half a teaspoon of oil. Now let's put it in the air fryer. So we are going to put the basket in. Temperature is on 390 and we'll put the timer to 15. So we'll see you after 15 minutes. So now let's open and see. Now let's flip the chicken and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes more. See this side, it have to be more crispy, so we are just allowing it to cook from this side too. So just flip. Put it back. So now let's check. Open. And now you could see that chicken is fully cooked and it's very crisp. I don't know whether you can hear it. If you have a food thermometer, the temperature you can check. It should be 165 Fahrenheit. So here it is, our crispy fried or air fried chicken. I'm serving with some lemon. We love lemon on fried food. So let's squeeze some. And somebody is going to try. Hot. I hope you all enjoyed. Do like our page and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.